Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Hisense has launched one more TV today, and it's the Hisense Tornado, which is a 4K Android TV with JBL sound system. This TV comes with a 6-speaker soundbar system which produces 102 watt sound output. And guys, in our today's video, we will do the unboxing and show you the features of this TV. In the front of the box we have the Hisense branding along with the features here such as Dolby Vision and the Dolby Atmos support. You get the 102 watt sound system from JBL, and this TV comes with a bezel-less design. It's a 4K TV and the model number is the 55A73F. Here at the side of the box we can see the box content info, and the MRP of this TV is Rs 59,990. However, the launch price of this TV is 44,990 rupees. And yes, this TV is also made in India. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we get these two brackets for the table stand. Apart from the table stand, you also get the wall mount for which Hisense provides free in-home installation. Then in the box you get this packet in which we have the warranty information which is for 1 year. Then we get the user manual which has the info about the features of this TV. After that you get a quick start guide, screws to mount the table stand, and the remote controller with two AAA batteries. Now first looking at the remote, the quality of the remote controller is very good. And you get the dedicated buttons for OTT platforms such as Netflix, Prime Video, Hotstar on the top. The buttons are clicky, and I find the overall look and feel of this remote controller very good. Now let's take out the TV from the box. Now let me quickly set it up. So first we will mount the brackets for the table stand, which is really easy. And here it is, our TV is now ready to use. Now before we turn it on, let me quickly give you an overview. Now the first thing you will notice is this beautiful looking soundbar at the bottom of the screen. You get the Sound by JBL logo on the left, and in the middle we have the Hisense logo. And here on this side we have the Dolby Vision and Atmos logo, which by the way also illuminate when you turn on the TV. I personally like the design and the texture of this soundbar, and it does look very premium. The plastic at the back looks solid, and you have a very neat and a clean back design of this TV. In terms of the ports and button, in the middle we have the holes where you can attach the wall mount, and just below it we have the audio video in ports. The main ports are located on the right side, which includes optical port, a headphone jack, 2 USB ports, 3 HDMI port, and an antenna port. The HDMI 1 port supports ARC to connect with the ARC compatible sound system. Now let's turn on the TV and set it up. Setting up this TV is like any other Android TV, and you can use your Android phone to set up quickly. And here it is, our TV is now ready to use. So here we are on the home screen, and you get the usual favorite apps on the top, which you can also customize or move any app as per your choice. And then we have the content from our login OTT platform such as Netflix, and then we have the suggested apps from Google Play Store. Then we have the content from other apps such as Spotify, YouTube, etc. And guys, you can customize or remove any of these apps from home screen. The UI of this TV is smooth, and I find the remote controller also very responsive. You also get the Google Assistant support in this TV, and the voice recognition is also pretty good. In terms of the OS, you get the Android 9 Pie in this TV, and about the storage, you get the 11 GB inbuilt storage, which by the way, you can also expand it by using a thumb drive or an external hard drive. Now in terms of the other hardware details, you get 2 GB RAM, dual band Wi-Fi support, and the Bluetooth 5.0 support in this TV. Now about the performance, this TV comes with Dolby Vision and the Dolby Atmos sound. Apart from that, you get the ultra dimming, noise reduction, and the HDR10 Plus support. We have tested the Dolby Vision and the Dolby Atmos sound by watching the supported content on Netflix, and immediately we noticed that the picture quality of this TV is very good. While watching the Dolby Vision content, you get this Dolby Vision logo on the top, and when you press the picture mode button on the remote controller, you get the option to choose between the Dolby Vision Bright, Dark, or Custom mode. And guys, watching the Dolby Vision supported content on this TV feels really good, and basically it can deliver highlights with 1000 times more colors, 40 times brighter whites, and also 10 times brighter dark than a standard TV. There is also one more feature, which is smooth motion, which you can select by going to the display settings. And with this, you will not see any motion blur while watching fast moving content such as sports and games. So without any doubt, the video output quality of this TV is very good, keeping in mind the pricing. You're getting almost all the premium features which are available in higher segment TVs. Now talking about the sound, the 6-speaker JBL soundbar system in this TV looks promising on papers as it produces 102 watt sound output. You get the 4 full range speakers and 2 high frequency speakers in this soundbar. First of all, the soundbar looks beautiful, but it's even better in performance. While watching regular content, the sound output is very good, the clarity is amazing while watching movies and regular TV. There are no distortions in the output while watching movies even at high volume. It's loud, and as it produces triple digit output, without any doubt, this is one of the best sounding TV I have tested this year. We have also tested the sound output by playing music, and believe me, it does have some bass in it. Overall, the sound quality is very good and there is no need of buying any other sound system for this TV. Overall, the Hisense Tornado 4K Android TV is a beautiful looking TV with minimal bezels, and the display quality is also very good. The viewing angles are perfect, which you can also enhance in these settings. The Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos performs pretty good, and you can watch supported content on Hotstar and Netflix. And with the combination of sound from JBL, you get an amazing experience. And guys, I really like the Hisense 4K TV which we have reviewed in the past, and this TV is even better. And looking at the pricing and features, I can tell you this TV without any doubt is value for money. So if you're looking to upgrade your current TV, then definitely check out this newly launched Hisense Tornado 4K TV. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Hisense Tornado 4K TV. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this TV in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.